only write in a diagonal line.
Okay, I'm live again, so say your IP address live on stream, please.
Got it. It's
Stupid.
74.140.55.63.
Shut up. Whatever.
I have it memorized.
Okay.
Oh, my IP is number 1.
Yo,
Download.
you got the first IP.
I wonder what the
Oh,
is the 00 block local host?
No, that's everything. It's actually not a valid IP. Right.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
The 0 block just doesn't exist. Because I believe it references all interfaces on your computer. It's one of those special ones, like the loopback address, except it's supposed to talk about when you're listening on a port. If you're listening on the 0 address, you're telling, I don't care what IP this comes in, it is addressed to, I just want it.
Yeah, 0.0.0.0.0/8 is source hosts on this network. And then
Yes.
10.0.0.0/8 is private networks.
Correct. I have seen and gotten a request from a 1 dot address before.
Nice.
Which I forget. I think Amazon owns like a massive chunk of it, which is where it came from.
Oh, I think Cloud. I just went to 1.0.0.0 and it's Cloudflare. So
Cloudflare also has some of that.
And 1.1.1.1 is Cloudflare's VPN thing.
It's their DNS resolver.
Yeah.
And they've also got their Quad 1 VPN.
Yeah, that's right, because it's also DNS, but then they also like to push their VPN thing. Yeah.
It's pretty sus. In case you were wondering, don't use VPNs unless you're like pirating stuff, I guess.
Much discussion about that in this server.
Yeah.
I figured.
Wait, have you started streaming? Because I just see a black screen.
Yeah, where are you?
I'm streaming a black screen.
But where's the URL? Is it the same one?
No.
I don't think so. Unless it's public, and then I just have to go to your channel and see.
It probably is public, actually. I don't know why they...
Yeah.
I found it. Just go to the channel and it's black.
It is.
Yeah, I'm gaming.
What is this?
Okay, I guess I was trying to set up grab game audio from my 3DS, but I can't do that. So, or I can't figure it out, and I don't care enough to keep trying. Right this second. I was just gonna play fucking Pokemon Yellow on the 3DS Virtual Console. I wonder whether or not this will be too hard to figure out. Or too much work. Maybe not. Alright, alright, 1 second. I guess. It'll only be 1. Mm-hmm. Alright. Hey, Josh.
Yeah.
Your typing is... it's not even actually, it's not that loud, but it's very frequent.
I have a solution to that.
Headphones.
The solution is to give up.
No, not headphones. I just turned on push to talk. I'm not going to hit the Alt key
Oh.
while I'm typing.
What an idiot.
I'm wearing headphones. If I were using the headphone microphone, you'd still hear it.
Oh, you type that loud?
Yes.
Yeah, probably. I mean...
You're power hacking.
The microphone is my webcam, which is on the top of my monitor.
Oh.
Hmm. Okay. Alright, alright, alright. I'm almost ready to become Dumbledore.
That sounds like someone who's not ready to become Dumbo to me.
I agree.
It sounds like
very,
someone who's ready to almost ready to become Dumbledore to me.
I believe you in you.
I heard a 3DS.
Oh yeah. Um. Uh-huh. I do have a 3DS, this is true. Here, actually, I just closed the whole app.
Can't wait for Nintendo
Let's
to
see.
come out with the 1DS.
I actually want,
Same. The 4DS was kind of lame when it released. I'm not a fan of all the time travel involved. I can't wait to just return to line.
top screen only is good, actually. Okay. Okay. Now I do one window capture. And there you go.
Oh, it's super small.
It is small right now. This is true.
Just look really close at your screen.
Yeah,
you
just
should
look
have
really
a 3DS
closely.
XL.
It's okay. I know that I also know that this is going to be not perfect
Just stretch it.
for now. Oh my god, shut up.
4x3 stretched, but it's a
Am
16:9.
Oh. Ooh. Nice. Oh no.
You should make his stream resolution 4x3 so you can have 16:9 compressed.
I guess here I'll add another size.
Actually,
Say with
upper screen is not 16. I think the lower screen is 16 by 9, but the upper screen is not, or vice versa, rather.
yeah,
I guess
lower screen is 4x3. Upper screen is actually 16 by. Well, shit, it might be 16 by 9. I kind of thought it was 16 by 10, but I don't think that's right.
It's at least close to 16 by 9. I'll look it up.
Yeah. Let me try this one.
Up screen is 15 by 9.
Yeah, that's bad.
They just, they had to shave off that extra row of pixels.
Yes, exactly 1 column of pixels. The top screen is in fact 15 pixels by 9 pixels.
That's what I figured. I mean, like, why? What other numbers would they be using there?
It is apparently 800 by 240. If you were actually curious.
Yes.
Oh wait,
Is that
because that's the 2x for the 3D mode. 400 by 240.
Yeah.
Is the
in practice.
Yeah.
High quality.
Cameron was saying there was supposedly a way that you could effectively double the horizontal resolution by using those extra set of pixels.
There is a way to do it. It's pretty much not seen any use outside of like a single proof of concept app.
Yeah, probably because working with non-square pixels is not really substantially beneficial.
I don't know how big I'm gonna make this. I'm making it bigger.
Oh, that looks JPEG compressed.
It is, baby. You know it.
Yo.
You know it fucking
fan.
sucks.
Is it also
an audio container?
No.
No. I was gonna say not upscaled properly. I lost the words. But...
It will be in a second. Oh, nice. I forgot that NTR just is broken. That's okay. $400. Fucking get out a calculator.
I like how the 3DS screen is only a fraction of the whole stream screen, and then the Game Boy Color screen is a smaller portion of that.
Yes, it is very nice and not terrible whatsoever.
You feasibly could crop it to that and then stretch it even more.
Oh my god, shut up.
I mean, that would be roughly an approximation of how it would be if you were actually using a GBC.
See, it's realistic. If the GBC screen compressed it with JPEG.
Okay. Alright, give me 1 second. There you go. I move to center. Thank you. That's good, except, I mean, it's not that good. How do I adjust the settings on this thing? Oh, okay, that's just a local IP address. That's fine. That's fine.
Showing his local IP address on screen, we know he's in his local 86.
Yo. That's actually kind of weird. Why not just use like 0 or 1?
He must be at, a major institution, right?
Yes, clearly. This is an enterprise grade network.
Darn it, pressing escape just makes the whole thing stop. That's annoying. I forgot that. Why is that a hotkey in like so many programs? Whatever. Okay, that's not good. Okay.
There you go, Ethan.
Let's go.
And this thing is
Oh.
capping itself at like, oh my god, that looks awful. This thing is capping itself at like...
Oh, it's in alphabetical order.
Yes, it is, because I'm not bothered to reorganize it, and I did it by order of the way VS Code sorts it.
Yeah, why this
Why
looks
are
so
some of the
awful.
parameters in brackets and some aren't?
Optional.
Ah. Yep, that checks out.
I'm sure you can deduce when optional parameters as a response are sent and aren't.
Yeah.
I guess I could just
it's
say...
for the most part intuitive there.
I guess I should just say at the top that if the error parameter is sent, then none of the other ones are. And if it's not, then all of the other ones are.
Here, I'll send you my documentation that I wrote just for funsies.
Yeah, this looks really bad. That's very nice. Okay. Nice, nice. Here, let me restart my 3DS.
I'll delete that and try again.
I forget how HZMod handles this. I think it's not perfectly. Now, I don't remember... I guess I could set this to 80 or something dumb. Oh, Oh my god, I remember. It depends on what version of HZMod you have installed. Jesus Christ. Okay, alright. I will actually take the time to figure this out live on stream while broadcasting a black screen.
Nice.
Let's fucking go.
It boosts your view watch time. So you can get monetized.
Get monetized so I can be paid to broadcast a black screen. Let's go.
Dang it, now I'm too many characters over the limit. I need to shave off 8 characters.
Unnecessary new lines time.
Maybe it was that the most recent version was slightly broken? I don't remember.
Just getting rid of some periods
Yo.
Woo. I guess I should actually save this documentation I wrote. So I'm gonna save the 2 file real
Gosh.
quick.
Post on Stybark.
No, I have a better place for it. I'm gonna post it on my blog so it can get erased later.
You should post it on the wiki.
The wiki's for the web server. I'll have to make a wiki for Thoughtblog. For ThinkBlog.
Wait, what? My message could not be delivered?
What?
Clyde tells me your message cannot be delivered. This is usually because you don't share a server with the recipient, or the recipient is
trying to
only
DM it?
accepting DMs from friends. No, I'm typing in MS Teams here. I have never seen this.
Also, do note that .stybark.dev is temporary. I do plan on getting an actual domain for this.
Hmm.
That's how. Why does it now say it's 153 characters over the limit? Previously, it said it was slightly under the limit.
All right, Josh, you're gonna be so proud of me. I'm going to my own website to okay. Potential security risk ahead. Expired certificate, thank you.
Yeah, I need to update that. Give me
Yeah.
1 second.
That's funny.
This'll take
Let's see.
no time.
Probably expired last.
Oh yeah, I'm
year.
looking at my own documentation. It expired just 5 days ago.
Yeah, I'm normally like
uh,
a week on top of things.
I'm looking at my own documentation of like Horizon thingy screen streaming for
Yes.
Nintendo 3DS or whatever.
You're using the thing. Okay, it's just WebRoot. I don't even know why I don't have this one on a cron job. This one actually can be automated. I should do that. You know, for like simplicity.
It's not on Spruce.
Well, no, it's not just that. I mean, like, I don't have one for my other web server either, a module. But this one actually uses the WebRoot, so I don't have to turn off the web server or do DNS. And that one can be automated. I don't know why I don't. Anyways, your certificate should not be expired anymore. And it's not. All right.
Oops.
Also, I think because of your site in particular, I started actually sending the encoding with the site.
Oh.
Yeah, I did. I set the character set in the content type just because of Cameron's site. Because he kept updating it, and then it would remove the meta tag that was in there that told the character set.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I think at one point I like downloaded all the HTML stuff so I could push updates
Right.
to that.
I would
After your
always
stuff.
edit it for you, but then I got tired of correcting it, so I just made the server actually tell everyone it's UTF-8.
Dumb. It should have been Shift.js. Shift.jis.
Well, it's only because of the E in Pokey.
Yeah.
Okay.
True. All right, this should
We're
work.
We're live.
Yo.
Balls. Oh, oh fuck. I closed the web page, but I'm going back to my own website to download a thing.
Yo.
Hooray for archival. Hooray for archival.
I'm gonna archive your entire site real quick.
Dumb.
Because I have access to the actual source code, so I'm gonna upload it to Web Archive.
Let's do this.
Even though I could just save the page.
Oh
Do
my,
they
I
actually
forgot you have
accept,
to fucking run this
archive
as a
files?
command.
No, they'll just appear in the library, but like not in the Web Archive. Like where I put that driver set earlier. If you were following that story.
Do I?
I'm saving your site right now.
Okay. OBS, not right now.
Well, I'm gonna head out now.
Okay, bye.
So y'all have fun with the glitches.
I
Bye.
will, maybe.
Maybe.
Oh, you
You
threw
can't
on
stop us,
plug too.
actually.
Very nice.
Is this receiving anything from the server?
What?
Nothing. It's fine. I'm working out stuff on my stuff. Not nothing that pertains to you, so don't worry about it.
I just heard you say something about the server. I'm like, did I mess something up?
Oh, I fucking I press a button. There you go. Oh boy. And if I'm lucky, this might already be the correct screen size, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay, good times. My 3DS just crashed, so.
Yo, post that stack trace.
There is no stack trace, it just hangs.
Aw, I was hoping to get the state of your CPU registers and some RAM.
Dumb.
There we go.
So that's the right IP address for the 3DS. Okay, I'm more or less like mostly good to go.
Okay.
Hmm. Oh, you know what? Maybe we can recruit Josh to maybe we work on a maybe we re-implement the functionality of Snicker Stream in something that's not what was the programming language? AutoIt.
I was thinking Free Basic might be a good alternative.
No. Oh no.
Yeah, I don't know how big of a project that would be, but there might be some merit to that.
Do either of you happen to know Turbo Pascal?
No, I don't know
Aw.
any flavor of Pascal.
Okay, but can I make 3DS apps in JavaScript?
I hope not.
I hope not also. For your sake and for mine.
It should be mostly your sake. I'm the one that would enjoy that.
Oh.
You don't want to know what I'd be doing.
we should program 3DS apps in Forth. Here, stack-based languages are all the rage these days.
Are you kidding me? ADA is much better.
Do you actually pronounce the ADI? I always thought it was ADA.
I don't know. I used to say GIF was GIF just to appease nobody really. But now I go with what the developer says it's called is GIF. Yeah, I guess I should actually provide the defaults. Ooh, yes. Actually, someone made a compiler of Scratch to just native code, and they, as a test, made a Linux kernel module in
Native
Scratch.
code.
I mean, like CPU instructions, like what C does.
That is actually pretty impressive. Scratch is a pretty long ways away from that.
Yes, I'm just gonna share it here.
Right, okay.
Was that back in Scratch? No, that's recent.
That's
I thought
Scratch 3.
Okay.
How is the video quality so much better now? It's no longer JPEG compressed.
It's going to be a lower frame rate. I'm using a different streaming program, or an older version of a certain one. This is streaming uncompressed Targa frames. That scale filtering is bad.
I see.
That's better.
Speaking of Targa, I wonder if ThinkBlog properly supports the Targa mime type.
Oh no, dude. I don't even want to think about that, Ethan.
I was actually looking around to see if I had any Targa files laying around the area when I was testing out different things on it, and I couldn't find one.
If the mime type starts with image, then it works.
That's true. The mime type starts with image, but you know the SVG was something happened with that. I don't remember exactly
That
what
had to do with the rest, and I had a mimes file that was not fan. So I have a file of mime types, which converts the file extension to the mime. I reversed that. However, because I reversed it, you can only like have one file type associated with a mime type. And there were two file names that were associated with the mime type of a SVG. And so because it was later in the list, it opted to use the, what was like SVG X or whatever.
Z, yeah, for
Z, yeah.
Because it's gzip, so SVGZ.
Right, that makes sense. That's funny. But it did that, so that's why it had the wrong mime type, or the wrong extension. It was getting the right mime. So these little mistakes, I just have to manually do something that seems sensible.
That's interesting. Did you create a little script to find all the collisions or anything?
No. I probably should. I mean, that would make sense.
That seems like the obvious answer to me, but...
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do a little bit of random, uneventful, honestly. So I spent 30 minutes setting up. Okay, I might not even stream for another 30 minutes. We will see.
Get archived.
Damn.
You got archived, my guy.
Damn.
Now anything that you've written on chainswordcs.com is immortalized forever as long as archive.org exists.
I already archived the site on archive.org, I thought.
You did.
You're dumb. As long as archive.org exists, which might not be for that much longer.
I'm sure you've read the thing that I sent about their issue involving libraries and book publishers.
Yes. Okay. To reset the game.
Wait, where did that save to? What? Where did it go?
You should publish your spreadsheet of stuff.
Stuff, yes.
The updates sheet.
Yeah, I know what you mean, but
You can finally monitor ThinkBlog from a web browser. Wow.
I know.
You know, if only there was some way you possibly could have done that before.
It's such a relief.
Because I always force you to just send get or post requests from a terminal emulator over Telnet or whatever.
Oh wait. Yeah, this works. Okay, I'll save here and then I will actually reset.
So I made a target file, but Firefox doesn't recognize target files if you was to send over the proper MIME type.
Yeah, I probably don't have it in the list.
It's apparently not, and it's apparently not registered with whoever it is, IANA.
Oh, did you just get back an alert message telling you it's the wrong MIME or whatever?
I mean, I got it. It didn't send a MIME type with it at all, so it came back with a 403 or a 400 rather.
All right, I got a game crash.
Yo. You know what crashes mean? Arbitrary code execution sometimes.
Sometimes. This also means that I guess sometimes, but let's see. This is like a mass. Actually, this isn't. Yeah, this mostly isn't useful for Ace. This is actually just a giant buffer overflow that trashes a bunch of RAM. So
I'm a big fan of that.
it's not really that useful.
My desktop PC.
I want to do it on your dome.
I found a.
Hey,
I found another potential.
I got the effects.
MIME type issue.
What's that?
image/vnd.ms-photo can refer to .wdp as you've used, but more commonly is used for the JPEG-XR.jxr.
I'm taking a screenshot of this.
Well, I'll just change that up. You're gonna have to read it off in a moment. I actually reopen Visual Studio Code and start editing the JSON file containing all MIME type associations. All right, what was it again?
The MIME type is vnd.ms-photo.
All right, and it's
And
using WDP.
Yeah, and it is usually going to be JXR.
JXR.
Apparently WDP is a thing, but I think JXR is more common.
Well, there you go. It's updated.
Excellent.
Now I just have to update the database of what you posted to be correct in the CDN containing only one computer.
My CDN, which is literally just a folder.
That's actually what it is. Yes.
Alright, I have to reset again. This is so sad.
Alexa, play Despacito.
You're dumb.
And then you need to update the post as well to be able to post or to point to the right image.
I actually did. It's just
Nice.
Not doing it. Probably because.
Oh no, I haven't refreshed yet or anything. I just wanted to get ahead of that. Let's see, I should probably test HEIC now. There is an error while saving the file. That's it. Nobody likes HEIC. Not gonna test HEIC then.
That's funny. I try to save the JXR, but because it has the same MIME type as WDP, even though it's in the file name JXR, Firefox tries to save it as a WDP.
Nice. Wonder why that is.
Who knows? H. It's literally the H. I mean, it doesn't load in Firefox though.
Really? Huh.
Maybe try it.
I thought Firefox had JPEG-XR support.
I don't think so. Edgium, even though Legacy Edge was infinitely better. No, it doesn't work here either. What's the dealio with that?
Game crash. Actually, let me get a screenshot of this too. This is a good one. Classic.
JPEG-XR only supported.
Actually, that's an RST38 crash.
IE 9 through 11. What the heck?
Well, I will tell you right now that ThinkBlog does not support Internet Explorer except in the no script mode, which means you can't load old or new posts or post anything.
You can't load any posts.
Any new posts.
You can still load the default 50 posts you get.
Oh, gotcha.
It's just because of my use of the template, like string templates and fetch.
Mm-hmm.
Both of which don't exist in old Internet Explorer. I could polyfill these things, but I don't feel like it.
It's not worth it.
It's not worth it, as a matter of fact. Though I did fix Spruce to work with Internet Explorer and Legacy Edge. Turned out it had to do with my implementation of 203 not modified, sending a content length of 0. It should send the content length of what the response would be, even though it sends no content. So the thing was to just not send content length, because that's also acceptable.
Nice.
Whatever.
Yeah, you should make a custom fork of Internet Explorer to fix that.
I wish I could fork Internet Explorer. I guess Was it included in that source code leak of Windows XP?
Maybe an older version of it, maybe.
Yo, it's not like it's changed that much.
That would be very interesting.
You know that they open sourced Chakra Core, which is like a continuation of the Chakra JS engine used in Internet Explorer and subsequently Legacy Edge. So I really don't see why they can't open source the Spartan engine that was, or not Spartan. What was it called?
I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Just open source Internet Explorer. I was talking. Oh, Trident, the rendering engine. Anyways, just open source Internet Explorer. It's discontinued.
Are you capturing the 3DS audio through speakers?
No, I mean I'm not capturing it through anything properly.
Okay, it's just coming in through your speaker.
It might come in
That's
through
what
my
you're
mic
relying on.
here and there, which is all you're gonna get.
This is truly the fight of the century. Waterfall versus Harden. Level 1 versus level 4.
Well, yeah.
The stakes are high.
I will be very curious to see what breaks next. But, I don't know. It's not that interesting, but it's a little fun to just mess around here and there.
Through to level 5. I wonder what his HP is at now.
Me when I faint, but continue to be poisoned.
So with this RAM corruption, I have anyway, I now have I have a party full of more than 6 Pokemon. In fact, it's many more than 6. It might be close to like 127 or something, depending on whatever the random value got corrupted to. And all those Pokemon, so it's reading like the status of Pokemon from unintended memory locations that are like out of bounds of the normal data structures stuff. So it's reading it from unrelated pieces of RAM, and so a bunch of these random Pokemon are poisoned, and
Oh, and it's changing random RAM values too, isn't
yeah, as the poison, damages them, their health goes down. So that's just decrementing random RAM values. So that's
Fun.
cool. Good stuff.
I love when I click on a button that's a no off.
Yeah.
You know, none of these glitches would be possible if they wrote Pokemon in Rust. You know, it's a memory safe language.
You know, it's impossible for Rust code to have any bugs whatsoever.
Clearly. This wouldn't happen if it was written in JavaScript. It would just throw type errors and die.
Yeah, this is only assembly, baby. Only in assembly, and you get the most interesting errors possible. It's fucking
Property,
incredible.
Property HP does not exist on undefined.
This wouldn't happen if it was written in Stipark ActScript because it doesn't exist yet.
No, it does. I just haven't released it.
Yo, leak the unreleased prototype.
Even though I'm the owner and creator of it, I'm gonna delete that real quick. This wouldn't happen because Stipark AppScript is a memory-safe language. I don't give you access to memory, so it's not possible to mess it up.
Oh my god.
Is it possible for the owner to intentionally leak their own code?
Actually, yeah, probably, because I could accidentally publish it when I didn't want to.
I said intentionally.
Oh.
Oh, I guess I could do it with malicious intent if I had stakeholders, like if
True.
if I had shared, yeah.
That is a good
And
point.
the intention was to sabotage.
Alright.
Would any of you like to invest in Stibark for the app script? Which will exclusively be releasing next month.
I think Stibark AppScript is really the future.
Alright, so here's some of the Pokemon I have in my party. They're all very nice.
That's actually a lot of Pokemon.
Yes.
But you know,
I
this
have
wouldn't
many of
happen if they used a stack-based language.
Ooh, you know what? Here. I just have to deposit one of them, and all of memory just got fucking shifted upwards by, like, by the entire length of that data structure, so it's probably like 60-something bytes.
I'm surprised that was so quick.
Yeah.
All that up. And also had not that.
Well, actually, I don't remember if it does. It might not. I might be misrepresenting that. So don't take my word entirely. Take it with a grain of salt. But
no, you are the Pokemon architecture expert.
I have a lot of knowledge. That doesn't mean I don't still make incorrect assumptions from time to time, or incorrect conclusions, etc. Gaming.
Has anyone actually? Well, I guess there's no such thing as a Pokemon decompilation because it was all written in assembly. It was never compiled.
Yes, there is. Haha.
I'm guessing that would be rather a re-implementation, though, since I thought it was written entirely in assembly. So decompiling it would actually just be creating C or whatever language they chose to create a binary compatible version of it.
I think it was decompiled. I think it was decompiled in just assembly, but with like
so
function names and shit like
tags.
that. Yeah, they added a ton of documentation, and that project is fucking like more or less feature complete on many of the old Pokemon games, including Red and Gold and Silver. Mainly just those two, because
Pokemon is my favorite game engine. I'm gonna go fork that repository and make a game in it. I don't know.
This random thing is evolving, dude. Let's go.
Yo. Let's see what random memory address it overwrites with. Color gone.
Yes, the memory address that controls color.
Oh, dude, I'm walking slower now. Ah, you can't really see it very well on the screen because it's so fucking low for me.
No, it's noticeable.
I love that my name is now so long that I have to press the A button to scroll down. God. Yeah, this is my trainer card.
When your name includes your torso.
This is a face only a mother could love.
If you had one. I'm talking about a face, not a mother.
Damn.
You canonically have a mother.
Why am I
name
walking
because-
slower? Did I just get like the no, it's not the zero error glitch because I'm not because that doesn't persist
Exist.
between maps. I think this might just be the CPU like slowing down, but I don't know why that's happening. This game breaks in the most fascinating ways. Absolutely. Somehow, every time I like boot this game up, I see something new. Yeah, this game is just actually lagging. That's nice. Oh,
Performing
ooh,
Pokemon Yellow, so I can play.
this like random map tile got corrupted. That's fun.
Yo.
That's very
Yes,
funny.
I love Fortnite on Game Boy Color.
I gotta say, the networking is very impressive. I'm surprised that they could cram wireless networking in there.
I was gonna
It
say
doesn't have to be wireless, right?
something is losing HP that is just corrupting map tiles. Oh my god. That's so funny. This is awesome. Show me more. Do your magic. Yes.
My favorite, the 99 tile, grass. So when it loads map data into the screen and whatever. Oh, never mind. I noticed that it doesn't update every time you move
Yeah.
or every time the Pokemon gets hurt. So is that data copied elsewhere and then stored temporarily and then updated when you load the map piece again?
I don't remember, and I don't
Oh.
remember what you're talking about, so I can't answer.
Actually, I think I recall seeing that. I do think I recall seeing that.
It copies the map data somewhere else
For
in RAM first.
these games, yeah. There's a copy of not VRAM, but something like it.
Work RAM, like Scratch RAM.
Maybe.
It would be in work RAM. I mean, yeah. Work RAM is just a description of all RAM, basically.
Yeah, but there's a section of RAM that the on-screen tile data gets copied to.
Huh. There's less lag now. That's funny. Maybe it was the updating the map tiles that was lagging the game out. That's really interesting. Now we're just flashing colors good times. I have become a Machoke. Actually, this is Machamp. Yeah.
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 Stick it. Oh man, you're only at 90 out of 579 health. Oh man, you lost like all your levels. You went from 188 to 94.
You're done.
All right, I went out. I went ahead and wrote out a list of suggested features for ThinkBlog now. So now
Does
I
it
can
include
hold you
previously
accountable.
suggested?
What'd you say?
Does it include anything previously suggested as well?
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. That would be convenient.
I went through the list of things that we had that we'd been talking about. I also made sure to include sus search and burger time captcha, two most important feature requests.
If it wasn't illegal, I would actually probably do the burger time captcha, even though it would be like almost impossible for anyone to do. Actually, that's it. If you can do it, you're probably a robot.
Hey, look at my trainer card, baby.
Yo.
You got all the badges, I think.
I did. This is so great.
Kanto's getting really wild with their trainer card format.
Mm.
Really mixing it up these days, trying to appeal to the youth.
You've got to really stand out when there's all these other regions now.
Yeah, yeah. It's tough out there.
I wonder what the Kanto tourist industry looks like. Like, is there really anything to visit?
Oh, let's see my Pokedex flags. Oh yeah. Own only 148.
So we have
Even
the
though I
term
should.
national Pokédex, but do they ever actually refer to nations or countries elsewhere?
What?
No, I don't think so.
Like, there's a national Pokédex, but what nation are we in?
Probably the
I mean,
nation of
Japan,
Kanto.
but
Or the nation of.
well, no, Kanto
Oh,
is
the
region.
national deck. Maybe it's like all of the regions combined to be a single nation. Sort of.
I think
But
that's supposed to be the implication, but
it appears as though the regions are self-governing.
Yeah, they're like
So pretty
states.
interesting. They have a pretty interesting
It's not that unheard of.
system,
But...
whatever's going on.
and you've got Alola, which is then supposedly also part of this nation.
It's physically
Yeah, it's an
separated, but it
island
fits in
territory,
life.
idiot.
Is it a state? Though?
Imperialism, baby.
The nation of Pokemon is imperialist confirmed.
Alright, I'm killing the Caterpie.
Do we ever see anything about the governance of the Pokemon Nation or their individual regions?
No.
Aw.
I feel like there's almost something regarding that in Alola, but I can't quite come up with it at the moment. Oh, there are mayors. Those are
true.
for the cities, but
Oh yeah, I'll look at the Pokemon League. This will be good. Lamp. Let Lamp, my beloved.
I'm reading up all the Bulbapedia pages on all the mayors that have appeared in Pokemon to see if there's any indication about elections or anything. Oh, there's a category mayors? Nice.
Ah, that was fun. Alright,
Ah,
now to deposit my Pokemon.
well, in Pokemon XD, Trest has assumed the job of mayor from S. Cod, who was previously mayor in Colosseum.
Hmm.
So that implies that somehow there is a way to change power.
By revolution.
Yeah, no one said that it was peaceful.
Oh, nice. My save file was deleted. Let's go. The thrilling conclusion. It's not that unfortunate. I keep backups for a reason.
Okay.
Alright. I am officially done streaming now for the day.
Time to read up on the lore of Fenax.
Woo. Go team. Okay. Goodbye stream.
Goodbye,